No, no. No, no. No lo puedo creer, brother. Y dije, coño, esta gente tan cool. ¿Quién son? Today's mission is Big Meadows Lodge on Skyline Drive. But before that, we're gonna donate some plasma to President Trump to make sure he's okay. So let's just do a quick visit to his humble White House. Washington, D.C., everybody. We gotta make a right up here. Not here, the next one. No, no. No, no. No lo puedo creer, brother. Y dije, coño, esta gente tan cool. ¿Quién son? ¿Cómo estás, Alberto? ¿Qué pasa, Bernardo? ¿Cómo estás tú? ¿Qué pasa, Alberto? ¿Cómo estás? Bueno, yo voy a casa de Trump ahora a donar plasma.
Vamos a donar plasma.
Ah, porque está cerrada la entrada para ir en...
O sea que lo más cerca que podemos pasar es caminando para allá.
Ok, déjame parquearme y yo los alcanzo ya. What a coincidence to see my buddies up here. How special to come see the White House and to see our friends here first. Getting the VIP parking for the Yamaha. So
Yes.
Lincoln Memorial, and then Skyline Drive. Then Big Meadows, and a beer or two at the tap room. I wish you were coming with us.
Yes, I wish you. Sounds like a plan, but
Yeah.
that's day.
Okay. ¿Puedo pasarle la mano? Mira, baby, mira la moto. Sí. Está buenísimo los stickers.
Nada más.
Está buenísimo.
La más linda.
Los stickers, sí. Bueno, capitán, hasta luego. I saw it too, that's why I was going to go to the water, but that's okay, let's go to the Capitol. Y ya estábamos en el wharf y me dijiste ir al Capitol.
Bueno, pero el Capitol es para pasar enfrente.
Necesitamos dos motos.
Bueno, Si tú estás en un solo, veniste con el plan, que te enfermes y te vas en auto, es aburrido. No. Ahora sí,
Capitol building. Shenandoah National Park, the beginning of the Skyline Drive and the Blue Ridge Parkway in a beautiful little town called Front Royal. Too bad we're experiencing rain, but it's all good. As you can see, it's very, very cloudy. We're under the remnants of Hurricane Delta that entered Louisiana. So today is just enjoying the beautiful wet roads, and sometimes you get to see a little bit through the clouds. Regardless, it's a wonderful, wonderful drive, and we're only about an hour and a half from Big Meadows Lodge, where we're going to spend our first night of the tour, which I just named the Oktoberfest Tour. Make sure you check it out on Instagram. If you're not already following me on Instagram, it's Floridaoutdooradv. I hope you're enjoying the view. I had to set the Super Tenere to fog and rain mode, but we're about 20 miles from Big Meadows Lodge. First tunnel of the Skyline Drive. $114, aguántalo tú. Estamos aquí. Estamos aquí, ¿no? Sí. So we gotta just go right there. All right, this is it, our Blacksburg 114 cabin with wet firewood. Yeah, but that's not cool. It's wet. Oh yeah, there is wood in here. Awesome. We have a fireplace. This is it. Welcome home. I like it. Tap room.
¿Qué es un centro de esquí esto?
Mira, no, mira.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. We made it to Big Meadows Lodge. We're in cabin number 114, Blacksburg. And stay tuned for tomorrow. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel.